بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعزائي طلبة الصف الثاني الثانوي القسم العلمي، أحييكم الآن مع الفيديو الثاني في lesson trick functions of sum and difference between two angles. Now tan A plus B equals tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. Second rule, tan A minus B equals tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. Now we can solve some examples. Example number 1, tan 105. We can make tan 105 as a sum of two special angles, tan 60 plus 45 equals, we can apply the first rule, tan 60 plus tan 45 over 1 minus tan 60 tan 45. The result equals, we know that tan 60 equals root 3 plus tan 45 equals 1 over 1 minus tan 60 equals root 3 multiply 1. Then the result equals root 3 plus 1 over 1 minus root 3. Now we can calculate cotan 15. We know that cotan is reciprocal of tan, then equals 1 over tan 15. We can make 15 as a difference between 45 and 30. Now 1 over tan 45 minus 30 equals we can apply the second rule of tan, but we can reciprocal the rule as tan 45, sorry, 1 minus 1 plus tan 45 tan 30 over tan 45 minus tan 30. The result equals one plus, we know that tan 45 equals 1 multiply tan 30 equals root 3 over 3 over tan 45 equals 1 minus tan root 3 equals tan 30 equals root 3 over 3. Now we can simplify. The result equals 3 plus root 3 over 3 minus root 3. Another example. Without using a calculator, prove that tan 50 equals 1 plus tan 5 over 1 minus tan 5. Now we can start from left hand side. tan 50 we can make it as the sum of two angles, tan 45 plus 5. We know that 45 plus 5 equals 50. We can apply the first rule. Tan 45 plus tan 5 over 1 minus tan 45 tan 5 equal tan 45 equals 1 plus tan 5 over 1 minus tan 45 equals 1 multiply tan 5 equals tan 5. This is the right hand side. Now we can proof number B. Tan 45 minus A, left hand side, equal tan 45 minus A. We can apply the second rule. Tan 45 minus tan A over 1 plus tan 45 tan A equal tan 45 equals 1 minus tan A equals we can make it sine A over cosine A. 1 plus tan 45 equals 1 multiply tan A. We can make tan A equals sine A over cosine A. We can multiply the numerator and the denominator, multiply cosine A. We can multiply cosine A. Now 1 multiply cosine A equals cosine A minus sine A over cosine B multiply cosine A cosine A reduce with cosine A. The result is sine A. 1 multiply cosine A equals cosine A plus sine A over cosine B cosine A equal sine A. This is the right hand side. Now we can solve another example. Choose the correct answer. Sine theta plus pi over 6. We can use the rule of sine equals the sine theta cosine. We know that pi over 6 equivalent angle 30 plus cosine theta sine 30. Now we can calculate cosine 30 equals root 3 over 2 root 3 over 2 sine theta plus sine 30 equals half cosine theta. We can take 1 over root 2 highest common factor. Then the result equals 1 over 2 multiply root 3 sine theta plus cosine theta. Then the result is number A. Number B, sine 45 cosine 15 plus sine 45 sine 75 cosine sine 75 cosine 15 plus cosine 75 sine 15 equals sine 75 plus 15 equals sine 90. Sine 90 equals 1. Now 1 minus tan A tan B over tan A plus tan B. This is the rule of tan A plus B, but the reciprocal of this rule, then the result equal cotan A plus B.